Yo, every day on take up on a phone, England. On want this, on want that. You think me make on call me out? Eh? For me come here, you know. Me no see no money tree, me no see nothing pan tree, me never see tree with ackee. Me no see tree with breadfruit. Me no see tree with mango, guinea, Neesberry, nothing. I don't got all of them the trees there in Jamaica, no can hungry down there. I don't call man tell you no no dinner, no have no that. If me would die, I want a slice of yam, me have to go to Brixton go buy. If me want 2 mango, me have to go to Brixton go buy. You understand? Me not have no fruit tree around me. Me in a white people country, we live here, we don't have it easy. Everything we want, we have to buy. We want 2 pepper, we have to buy. Name it, anything we don't name, we have to buy it. We no can go in our backyard and pick your call over fence down there and ask Auntie Jane and Uncle Tom if you go no one breadfruit. Or you go pick their mango or their Neesberry. Eh? Not even buckle. No sell up here. If we got a dance and 2,000 people go in a dance or 50 people and the whole at the back of them just put on and go in at the bin. Not even back of them no sell out. No luck you no can sell back of down there and buy flour and chicken back. We do have it hard in England here. So no stay down and feel you no can take up on the phone and call and about you know and scam me. You no can scam me because I no have it easy. We are suffer up here. When you call me and ask me say how you survive up there in the foreign. Eh? When it cold, we have to come out. As the rain fall, or not take cover down there and go work. You saw no live easy down there. Eh? I don't want to scam me want free money. Free money no good, and phone no one good. Alright. When I tell them, I have nothing more to tell you now. You tap take up the phone and call me and tell me rubbish. Because I don't unite with you now. Alright. I don't talk.